I am now live. So, I am back here to answer some more of your questions. And I have quite a few to answer today, and I even have some live aids. That's aids that are not dead. No, actually, I've got some stuff to show you guys, so hopefully you can see it in this little tiny 2x3 square, just really tiny, so small. Ah! So, anyways, I'll get started here. First question: is it easier to build a whole frame or buy a kit? Well, you can't buy a frame and a kit yet. So I asked the person, did you mean hardtail? Is it easier to just build a whole frame, make a rigid frame, or is it easier to hardtail with the kit that I have? And it is far easier to use a hardtail kit. I make a really simple 50% hardtail kit that you can weld into the Honda Shadow VT600. I have not developed one for other bike models, but I am working on that stuff. So definitely it's much easier to use the forward frame loop of the Honda Shadow and hardtail the rear end. You can even cut the whole rear end off and hardtail that, but if you maintain the forward frame loop, that's where your motor mount points are, and your steering stem's already attached to that. So not that difficult to build off that, whereas if you build a whole new frame, there's a lot that goes into it, so you don't have a frame that rides like a drunk pig on a frozen pond. So yes, definitely much easier to hardtail with a kit.